Ever wondered how you could run an e-commerce business without stocking any products? Welcome to the world of dropshipping, a unique business model where you sell products without ever having to deal with inventory. The supplier handles the storage and shipping while you focus on marketing and customer service. There's a certain charm to this low-cost, low-risk strategy. So if you're intrigued by the idea of starting a low-cost e-commerce business, stick around for a step-by-step guide. Starting a dropshipping business begins with choosing the right niche and suppliers. The niche you select will determine the nature of your products and your target audience. While it's tempting to choose products that you're passionate about, it's equally important to consider market demand, competition, and profitability. Researching different niches and analyzing trends can help you make an informed decision. Once you've settled on a niche, the next critical step is to find reliable suppliers. Dropshipping suppliers are the backbone of your business, responsible for manufacturing and shipping your products. It's crucial to choose suppliers who are reputable and trustworthy. Spend time researching potential suppliers, reading reviews, and even placing test orders to evaluate their service. Remember, the quality of your supplier can directly impact your customer satisfaction. In addition to choosing a niche and suppliers, you'll also need to select an e-commerce platform. This is where you'll set up your online store. There are several platforms available, each with its own set of features and pricing models. Some of the most popular ones include Shopify and WooCommerce. Your choice of platform will depend on your budget, technical skills, and business needs. Bear in mind that the platform should be user-friendly, secure, and scalable as your business grows. Setting up your dropshipping business is like setting the foundation of a building. It requires careful planning, research, and decision-making. But once these elements are in place, you're well on your way to launching your online store. Remember, the success of your dropshipping business largely depends on the choices you make at this stage. So, take your time, do your homework, and make informed decisions. With your niche and suppliers in place, the next step is to create your online store. An appealing online store is crucial for attracting and retaining customers. So how do you craft an online store that not only looks good but also functions seamlessly? It all starts with designing your store. This is your chance to create a professional, trustworthy image for your business. Choose a clean, user-friendly design that reflects your brand's personality. A cluttered or complicated design can turn customers away, so keep it simple and intuitive. Next, let's talk about domain names. Your domain name is your store's address on the internet, and it's a critical part of your online identity. Ideally, your domain name should be short, easy to remember, and related to your business or products. Remember, a good domain name can make a lasting impression and help build trust with your customers. Now let's move on to one of the most critical aspects of your online store, product listings. Your product description should be informative and engaging, highlighting the key features and benefits of your items. High-quality images are equally important. They give customers a clear view of what they're buying, reducing the chances of returns and dissatisfaction. Be sure to include multiple angles and close-ups to give customers a comprehensive view of your products. But creating a great online store isn't just about design and product listings. It's also about getting people to visit your store. This is where strategies like search engine optimization and social media marketing come into play. SEO helps improve your store's visibility on search engines like Google, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Social media, on the other hand, allows you to engage with customers, build relationships, and promote your products. Now that your online store is set up, let's dive into managing orders and customer service. Remember, a beautiful store is just the first step. Excellent customer service and efficient order management are what will keep your customers coming back for more. Successful dropshipping involves not just selling products, but also providing excellent customer service. Let's dive into the essentials of managing orders and customer service in your dropshipping venture. Firstly, let's address order management. Once a customer places an order on your site, you'll need to relay this information to your supplier. The supplier then packages and ships the product directly to the customer. This process should be seamless and efficient to ensure customer satisfaction. Automating this procedure can be a game changer using tools like Oberlo or Dropify that integrate with your e-commerce platform, making order management a breeze. Now onto customer service. Providing excellent customer service in dropshipping can set you apart from the competition. Be responsive to customer inquiries, whether it's about product details, shipping times, or returns. Remember, your customers don't know you're a dropshipper and expect the same level of service they'd get from any other online retailer. Handling returns can be a bit tricky in dropshipping. Since you don't handle the inventory, you'll need to coordinate with your supplier for returns. Always be transparent with your customers about your return policy. Provide clear instructions on how they can return a product and ensure they understand any conditions. Which brings us to the importance of transparent shipping policies. One common complaint in dropshipping is the long shipping times, especially when dealing with overseas suppliers. Be upfront with your customers about expected delivery times. Provide tracking information when available and keep customers updated if there are delays. Remember, in dropshipping, your reputation hinges on your customer service. Excellent customer service can lead to repeat customers, positive reviews, and referrals, all of which are crucial for the growth of your business. In essence, handling orders and customer service in dropshipping involves efficient order management, responsive customer service, clear return policies, and transparent shipping policies. Mastering these aspects can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience and set you up for success in your dropshipping adventure. With your customer service in check, it's time to crunch some numbers. A key question for any entrepreneur is, how much can I earn? Let's dive into that right now. Estimating your potential monthly income in dropshipping involves understanding a few key factors. First, consider your product pricing. Your income greatly depends on how you price your products. You'll want to strike a balance between a price that's attractive to your customers and one that leaves room for a healthy profit margin. Speaking of profit margins, this is your second key factor. Your profit margin is the difference between your selling price and the cost of goods sold, which includes the price you pay your supplier and other costs like shipping and transaction fees. Now let's talk about marketing costs. To make sales, you'll need to attract customers, and this often involves marketing expenses. Whether you're using paid ads, social media, or content marketing, you'll need to factor these costs into your calculations. So, how can we estimate potential monthly earnings? Here's a basic formula. Multiply your average profit per unit by the number of units you expect to sell in a month. For example, if you're making a profit of $10 per unit and you sell 200 units in a month, your potential income is $2,000. But remember, this is an estimation. Your actual earnings can be influenced by numerous factors, including your chosen niche, the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, and the level of competition. It's also worth noting that your income may fluctuate from month to month, especially in the early stages of your business. While your income can vary, there are ways to scale and increase your earnings. But more on that in the next section. Stay tuned. Scaling your business is the key to transforming it from a side hustle into a full-time venture. Now let's dive into how you can take your dropshipping business to the next level. One effective strategy is broadening your product range. By adding new products that align with your niche, you can cater to a wider audience and boost your income. But remember, ensure that these additions complement your existing offerings and resonate with your target market. Another approach is expanding into new markets. This could mean targeting customers in different geographic locations or exploring untapped demographics. It's crucial, though, to conduct thorough market research before moving into new territories to avoid potential pitfalls. Investing in marketing is also essential for scaling your business. This can range from optimizing your SEO strategies, running paid ads, to leveraging the power of social media influencers. The goal is to increase your brand's visibility and attract more customers. Lastly, consider automating certain aspects of your business. Tools like customer relationship management software or automated email marketing can save you time, allowing you to focus more on growth strategies. To illustrate, let's look at some success stories. Take the case of a dropshipper who started selling handmade jewelry and eventually expanded to offer a full line of women's accessories. Or consider the story of a dropshipper who successfully broke into international markets by adapting their products to local tastes and customs. Scaling requires time and effort, but the results can be rewarding. Dropshipping can be a profitable venture if you're willing to put in the effort. We've explored the steps to starting a dropshipping business, managing orders, and calculating potential monthly income. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. but with perseverance and smart strategies, you can carve out a profitable niche. Now it's your turn to take the plunge. Start your dropshipping journey today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dropshipping tips.